I often see women complaining about t-shirts. It's the most basic, fundamental thing in our wardrobe, and a lot of times women get it wrong because either they don't know what kind of t-shirt they should choose or how to style it. Well, not anymore. Hello and welcome back to A Million Bucks Style. I hope you guys are doing fantastic. Today's video is a styling lesson on how to style t-shirts with a pair of jeans. We're going to be styling some really cool and easy breezy cotton t-shirts from Myntra along with a pair of jeans. I have some beautiful denims on my rack along with t-shirts. They are all affordable and they look really chic. Let's get started with the haul and I will see you towards the end of it. Now, before I get started with the video, there are a couple of things that I want to address, starting with this bra. So I get a lot of questions on what bra are you wearing under these t-shirts and dresses and your kurta sets. This, my friends, is literally the only bra that I wear. I have the same bra in the same color, I think 3 of them, and I wear it on repeat. There are days when I just wear these. It gives you the most seamless finish. You can wear it under tight tops, you can wear it under tight fitted dresses, t-shirts, kurta sets. It has a bit of this padding which is non-movable, so it doesn't move. That's the best part about this bra. It's really seamless. It has no buckles, no underwires, adjustable straps, and the most softest fabric and the most breathable fabric ever. It's from Uniqlo and I swear by this bra. It is just amazing. So it's their Airism bra, and if you are someone who is looking for a comfortable everyday bra, this is your answer, ladies. You guys are going to not want to take it off. It's also super comfortable to sleep in. So if you're someone who wears a bra and sleeps, you can literally wear this 24 hours and not complain. I can vouch for that. And because it's nude, it's seamless, nothing shows. I can wear it under the most lightest of kurta sets and it won't show. So yeah, link to this will be in the description box below. It's not sponsored and I thought I'll just share a bit of information before we get started on the video. The second thing that I want to address are my bathrobes. I have these beautiful cotton bathrobes. I literally live in them. Every single YouTube short or reel that I start with, I'm wearing my bathrobes. This is from the brand Handicraft Palace. You will find the links in the description box below. It's so luxurious and comfortable. It's a printed cotton bathrobe, which actually gives you a feeling of, you being in a luxurious resort, and this is just a part of their amenities. I love them. They also have velvet versions of it, which is perfect for the winter season. But for the summers, these cotton ones work really beautifully. They have a variety of prints. I have 5 of them and I literally wear them on repeat. Like I mentioned, it comes with 2 pockets, has a beautiful piping. This one is one size. So, no matter what your size is, till about 3XL, it'll fit you beautifully. Comes with a waist tie belt. It's soft, it's breathable, and it's not see-through at all. And the best part is that it does not bleed color. So you'll find all the details in the description box below. Now, before I get started, one last thing that I want to address, and I know all of you guys are looking at me wondering what she has on her face. So this, my friends, is a pimple patch. It's from a brand called Gush. Whenever I have an acne and I'm wearing makeup, I first cover my pimple with this patch. It basically is a pimple patch which is supposed to reduce the size of your pimple and make it appear smaller and smaller over days. I think it takes about 4 days for the pimple to completely vanish. I like the fact that they come in a variety of colors and shapes and sizes. I like these diamond studded flowers. They look really cute, and whenever I have to go out and I don't want to show that red pimple, I wear this and it looks really nice and it's a conversation starter. So yeah, these 3 things I wanted to address before we get started with the video. I thought we'll start with a classic piece, a pair of blue denims with a white t-shirt. Never goes out of style. And the beauty of this is that they are very affordable. I think I paid $6.99 for this t-shirt, and these jeans also cost less than 1,000 rupees. Prices and sizes of all the pieces I have worn will be on the screen, so make sure that you check that out. This is a very, very easy, effortless look. A lot of people don't have this style of denim, which is loose, but it is straight fit. These are straight fit denims from the brand Sassafras. It fits you on the waist and then it is just a straight drop. Looks really nice. It's a dark wash denim with no fading whatsoever, and that is why it looks a lot more expensive than it actually is. And of course, when you pair it with elevated accessories, instantly you're going to look a lot more polished and sophisticated. That's exactly what I have done here. I have a belt. This is a genuine leather belt from Sofetch. And I have these gorgeous earrings again from Sofetch. In fact, all my jewelry and accessories are from Sofetch. This beautiful bracelet, which is my everyday staple bracelet. These gorgeous earrings, I absolutely love them. And I have a pair of white thong style heels from Iridani because we have a white t-shirt. Now look at the design element of the t-shirt. It's a solid t-shirt. There's not much going on except for this one little message: beauty. That's it. You can even wear this t-shirt with a black high-waisted trouser or a skirt. It'll look beautiful even on a holiday when you're wearing a midi skirt with it. Absolutely gorgeous. Now let me show you the jeans. This is what it looks like from the back. It doesn't hug your hip. It's not hugging any part of your thigh. It has one pocket on the back and then it has two front pockets that are very easy to access. It does have a little extra fabric in the front and that's why it's super comfortable. I don't like wearing very, very fitted denims for a long period of time. If I'm just meeting up with my friends or just stepping out for a few hours, I'll wear a fitted pair. But when I have to host people at home or if I'm wearing denims for a long period of time, I like such loose, effortless styles. It's not constricting anything. You can sit chौकड़ी मार के आराम से and you'll be super, super comfortable. I also like the oversized fit of this t-shirt. It's loose, it's effortless, comes with a crew neck and looks really nice. I'm just gonna add a pair of oval sunglasses, my mango sunglasses and my Lino Perez bag, and that's about it. Such styles are worn on casual Fridays. You can wear this when you are just running errands. You can switch from heels to Adidas Sambas or any slim fit sneaker and it's gonna look really polished. When you are picking up your kids from school, you are grabbing a cup of coffee, going for your salon appointment, doctor's appointment, any appointment. This can be your everyday look or a weekend look depending on what your profession is, right? It looks really nice. I love it and you will find all the details in the description box below. Don't forget to check it out. This, my friends, was the first look. Now let's quickly move on to look number 2. Alright, up next I have a t-shirt paired with these beautiful denims. These are from Sassafras, the t-shirt is from H&M and I absolutely love this combination. I love pairing oversized with oversized, whether you want to wear it tucked in or you want to keep it out, it doesn't matter. It completely depends on your comfort level. This is a wide leg pair of jeans with tiered effect. It comes with two front pockets which are really, really cool. I love the way it's been stitched. It has an elastic waistband on the back and it has extra flares on either side. It looks really modern and something that I have not seen anybody do in a very long time. And this is not a new pair, by the way. I've had it in my wardrobe for like maybe a year or so. And when you pair it with something fitted, it looks really nice, but my style is not too fitted. I like casual styles. I like easy, effortless styles. So I like to wear it with oversized t-shirts. So this t-shirt is a cotton t-shirt from H&M. It's an oversized t-shirt, so it has droopy shoulders and longer sleeves. You can easily roll up the sleeves to make it look a lot more stylized. It's made out of a very soft cotton and I absolutely love it. Now, when you're picking up t-shirts for yourself, look at the neckline. Make it crew neck or make it V-neck. It completely depends on how you like to wear your t-shirts. I just feel when you reach a certain age, t-shirts that have graphics that are too immature, have insensitive lines written on it, just avoid it. No point. I like this because it's simple, it's sophisticated, it is solid in the front, and then it has a message on the back. So this is what it looks like on the back. So there's a burst of color on the back and it looks really nice. So it's a full t-shirt, it's a long t-shirt. So if you're a woman who's conscious about her stomach, hips and thighs and you don't like tucking in your t-shirts, you can always leave it untucked. I added a belt because whenever I see belt loops, I will add a belt. This one is from Sofetch. It's currently sold out, but they are on a sale and you will be able to find some beautiful pieces on discount, including lovely belts. It's made out of a genuine leather, has stainless steel gold-plated buckle, and whether you are a size 26 waist or a 38 waist, these belts are going to fit you perfectly. I just added my acrylic strap heels, my chunky gold hoops, and a bracelet, and that's about it. All my accessories are from Sofetch, and I like things crisp and clean. Both the t-shirt and the denim are cotton, so perfect for the summer months, and I absolutely love them. Looks really nice and very, very chic. Statement making, what's not to love? Now I'm just gonna add a pair of sunglasses and a bag to complete the look. My sunglasses are from H&M. The bag is an old one from Lino Paris. This one is sold out now, but I chose red because red looks really nice with both the denim color as well as the print on the t-shirt. This, my friends, completes the look. It looks really chic, very casual, yet it looks like someone's put in an effort. Price and size details will be on the screen, so make sure that you're checking that out. This, my friends, is look number 4. We have 2 more looks to get through, so let's jump right in. Now here's how you tuck in a t-shirt in your jeans. Whenever you have a pair of denims that are fitted, like the ones that I'm wearing right now, you don't want to add extra fabric inside, but it also doesn't look very flattering when you just wear it like this, does it? Not when you have a tapered denim. If you have a pair of denims like my H&M ones that are straight leg and they are wide leg, those look really nice with oversized t-shirts and shirts, but not these. With these, you need to tuck in your t-shirts and shirts, and that's going to give you a polished look. So here is a trick that I follow. We have our t-shirt, right? And so high-waisted denim. All I'm going to do is I'm going to start rolling the t-shirt. Start from either corners and start rolling the t-shirt. And it does not have to be perfect. This is what it's going to start looking like from the back, right? I think this is a good size. Now from the front, just start bunching it in, twist it a little bit, and then tuck in the extra inside your denim. Just where the zip is, the button is, and that's about it. And then just easily pull it out. This is what it looks like from the back. Easy, effortless, super simple. I'm not even going to add a belt because the belt loops are almost covered with the t-shirt itself. That's simple, ladies. That's simple. My denims are mom style denims from the brand Sassafras, and my t-shirt is a very beautiful striped t-shirt from H&M. It's lovely, it's casual, it's effortless. You don't look like you're putting in too much effort or you've actually worn something, my God, out of the ordinary. But because you're styling it, it makes all the difference. The denims are quite interesting. It has a panel detail right on where the denims are getting tapered. The color is unusual and it's very, very flattering. It looks really nice with black, red, blue, white, literally any color because, well, it's beige, right? The t-shirt has a slogan which I can't pronounce because I think it's in French, because I can just read Saint-Tropez, and that's about it. The overall look is pretty classic. Now, the only thing I know a lot of you guys are going to have issues with is, why does your crotch have the V? Your crotch is going to look like it's there, right? So don't be conscious about it. And if you are conscious about it, wear your denims with long kurtis or kurtas. But if you're pairing it like this and you want to look stylish, I'm not saying you can't look stylish with a pair of kurti, but I'm just saying that if you want to wear it like this, don't get conscious about the crotch area showing. Yeah, don't be. I've styled it in a very effortless manner because I have my pearl bobble earrings, the same accessories, and my 20 dresses wedges currently sold out, but we are looking for it. Yeah, I have my eyes and ears open. Okay, I'm just gonna add my cream Lino Paris bag, neutrals, keeps it classic, and a pair of these tortoise shell sunglasses from Mango, and this, my friends, completes the look. It's a classic, chic, sophisticated look, does not go out of style, and looks really cool. We have one more look to get through, so let's dive right in. Now, t-shirts don't always have to be crew neck. You can actually have a variety of t-shirts, and a knitted t-shirt is something that you can wear both formally as well as informally. Case in point, this beautiful striped collared t-shirt. It is such a beautiful t-shirt. I bought it from H&M, paired with denims from Sassafras. These are mom style tapered jeans from Sassafras. It's a solid pair, high waist. I'm just going to show you how you can actually wear the t-shirt untucked because it has this elasticated hem and it stays put. No need to tuck it in. But if you want, you can also tuck it in. I will show you how you can tuck it in, add a belt, and make it look a lot more polished for the evening. But when you are just wearing this look casually in the morning, running errands, you can easily go without tucking it in. As far as sleeves is concerned, I was just holding one, and before someone tells me, Manmeet, you're showing the wrong product and this is not what we saw on you, I style my clothes, ladies, and that's why it looks a little different than what you see on the model. And I'm also showing it to you in the video format. Not a lot of details are visible on the model in static photos. So yeah, I will never show you something that is not on me. Yeah, and if I do, I always write in front of it, it's a dupe. I just rolled up the sleeves a little bit because I like the length of it. But if you are taller, it's going to actually reach right above your elbows, and that's absolutely fine. I like it a little shorter, especially with such styles. Now this look looks really nice as is, but let's tuck it in. Now this is how it's going to look when tucked in. The belt loops are now visible, so we need to add a belt. I'm going to add this beautiful belt. I recently bought it. It's from SoFetch. I bought it during their sale, and it's a classic black belt with a very bold buckle. Looks beautiful when worn with trousers, skirts, even over dresses. Looks really nice. The back of this pair is just so simple. It has 2 pockets on either sides. It almost looks like a trouser, ladies. It's really good. It's a classic piece, and I think everybody should have it in her wardrobe. Now look, by instantly adding a belt, doesn't this look a lot more expensive? At least in my opinion it does, and it looks really polished. I have my black iridani strappy heels, super comfortable, super old as well, and these beautiful earrings are also from SoFetch. I deliberately chose the black stone ones because, you know, we're doing a black look. All I need is a bag, and we're going to create a tonal look. So yeah, a black bag. That's the look. I'm going to do this beautiful shoulder bag from the Gusto, and these new sunglasses that I bought from H&M. They're a Celine dupe and look really nice. And this, my friends, completes the look. It looks really polished, very sophisticated. The denims are cropped denim, so they are reaching right on my ankle. But if you're a taller woman, they're going to reach right above your ankle. That's also a very flattering fit. And yeah, I quite like it. It's looking so chic. This look is perfect for when you want to wear something more polished. This is a perfect look when you want to look polished while still wearing your denim and t-shirt, and that's the beauty of this classic piece. You can never go wrong with them when styled correctly. This, my friends, completes today's haul and also the final look. Details of all the pieces worn will be in the description box as well as the product tab. Don't forget to check it out. Now, on to the outros, and I have a very important message there. Well, that was the video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed yourself and not only found something you'd like to add in your wardrobe, but also got a lot of inspiration and styling tips from this haul. If there are any questions or queries, please let me know in the comment section below. I love hearing from you. All the products and their sizes will be in the description box below. Don't forget to check that out. I will see you guys with another fantastic haul very soon. Until then, keep it stylish and always look and feel like $1,000,000. Bye.